my preferred source for John L. Scott business cards are going to be through Bear Printing. I think they're very reasonably priced. They already have templates set up, but you can also customize a template if you want to and just upload the file, and then they just ship them right to your address for you. And they do have this one particular material I'm going to show you that's a real, it's almost like a waterproof, they call it soft touch, but it's a really cool thick material that makes your business cards really pop or stand out. So anyway, best system that I know of, I'm just going to go to my desk, my John L. Scott My Desk, and down here at quick links, I click on my Bear Printing quick link, and this will open up my John L. Scott Marketing Center. And if I were to create a custom business card and upload it, I can show you that in a second. But if I just want to use the template that's provided as the John L. Scott template, I scroll down here to business cards. Where are you? We're going. There we go. Okay, business cards. And I like the two-sided card personally, but you know, there's a little bit more. So if you want the one-sided with the photo or no photo, don't do no photo. So we'll do the two-sided card, and you're going to name it something like you know, my business cards. I have a ton of these, so I put test on here so I can delete it. Okay, and I create that. Okay, now this part gets a little bit confusing, but so this is the template that we're choosing, and we'll come over here to styling. There's no styling is needed because it's already pre-styled. So we go to text and images. And this is where you're going to put your first name, last name, title, you know, blah, blah, blah. It's all pretty self-explanatory stuff. You can put a URL to your app if you want, or maybe your website address in there because it's going to populate on the front of the card. And then you can add your photo here. So you would choose, you know, which photo will show up. And then on the back of the card, again, very self-explanatory. Just put your website, the branch. And this is not populated correctly anyway here, but for you Westwooders, it'll say, you know, John Scott Westwood. And then for Ballard, it's actually 1448 Northwest Market Street, Seattle, Washington, 98107. And then for branch, we want to put on L. Scott Ballard. Okay. And then if you want to put an award in there, they have some awards that you can put in there. So pretty easy sneezy. I'm going to put one in there just so you can kind of see what it'll look like. And okay, very good. So once you got all that filled in, then you'll come to preview. And I just do like an image preview here so I can check on it. Okay, so that's pretty funny because that's Ashley, but it's Joe and Jason. And okay, so boom, boom, boom. So assuming that I put all this in correctly, all right, that looks good. That's page one. Let me check the back. Okay, boom, boom, boom. All right, yep, there's my award. Bing, bang, boom. That all looks good. And if that all checks out, then I'd go to the checkout over here. And I can decide if I want 250 cards, 500 cards, or 1,000 cards. So let's say you do the 500 cards, and I can select what type of paper. This is where I would go ahead and spring for, and it's an extra, you know, 5 cents a piece or something for the 19-point soft touch finish. It's a really nice material. So I'd select that there, and 500. Okay, and then I add it to cart. And how would I like to receive it? Please ship it to me. Now it will automatically default to ground shipping and shipping to the office address. So if you just want this delivered right to your home, then just, you know, boom, boom, just pop your home address in there. That's no problem at all. Okay. And voila. Okay, so 500 of the soft touch two-sided business cards with ground shipping and sales tax is $105.43. It's very reasonable. So then I would just check out, you know, pop my credit card in there. And then finally, I pop my initials in here to let them know that it's been proofed. And when I click that finalize button, that will tell you that it's been ordered, and you'll get your business cards in about a week or so. And that is the best system that I know of for ordering business cards. Now, if you want to do a custom style of business card, you can. You would just, when you get to the Bear Printing, you would click on the home icon over here in the left, and you can start a new project. And you'd select the upload your own file and the supplied file uploader. And again, my business cards, or whatever you want to, maybe this time it's my custom business cards, and whatever you want to name them to, so you remember. Okay. Click here to begin. And then you would select the product. So I'd scroll down. Again, business cards, two-sided. Okay, click next. And now you would upload the PDF files of the business cards that you want to, the template that you've created, and click the upload document button, and then next. And then you'll order them just like we just did a minute ago. But instead of being those templated versions, they would be the custom version that you created. So if that is what you're interested in. And the best system, if I was going to do my custom business cards, I would use Canva, canva.com. And you can do Canva for free. You would create a template similar to this. And this is a 3.75 width by 2.25 height template. And just know that there's going to be a 1/4 inch of a bleed on all 4 sides. Okay. And so, for example, in this card, a little bit of Mackenzie's shoulder would be chopped off there, and a little bit of this bottom image would be chopped off. So just make sure that you have a little bit of bleed in your design. And once you have it created, you would click the share button, download, and PDF print, best for printing. And then download that, save it on your desktop or wherever you save these kind of files. And then again, when you got to that point of the, where are you? Right here, you would choose the file to upload the PDF, upload that document, and then order them like I did in the previous screen. So that's kind of your system. You go with the John L. Scott provided templates, super easy, super fast, very inexpensive, shipped right to your door, $500 with that really nice material, or $105. The pricing is all the same if you want to do custom, but I'd use the Canva, and then just upload those PDF prints front and back right here, upload the documents, click next, finish your order, and voila, business cards coming your way. Okay, thanks for watching.